Alright, I'm coming back at you this evening. I did a video on this heater earlier today, and I wanted to see how it worked. So I got one of those 1-pound cans of LP gas, and I started her up. Now, here's the switch. You just press it in and turn it, but you gotta keep it pressed in until it gets primed. Once it's primed, you let it go and turn it to low or high. Okay? But that's low right there, that's the flame. And it goes up and hits the shield up top and bounces off. It seems to throw quite a bit of heat. I'm going to turn it up to high. So that's high. So you can see the flame just barely touches that heat shield up there. Then it deflects off of this shield up here. That's a plate up there that like a heat plate, I guess. And then it's absorbed into this shield, and that's what throws the heat out. So I don't know, for a camping trip or whatever, it seems to be like something that would add to your experience. It gives off some light, gives off heat, and it's supposed to be a tabletop, but I got it sitting on the ground. I kind of like it better sitting on the ground. But that's what it looks like in action. So it's kind of like 40 degrees. It's going to be 40 degrees tonight, 48, something like that. So we're going to give it a shot tonight and see if it keeps the girls warm. It's doing a pretty good job though. I really like it. Again, this is the Hampton Bay tabletop heater. So check it out, guys. If you like it, give it a try. Got any questions, leave them in the comments. Like and subscribe. This is Mr. Faust. I'm out.